Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about an essential tool for all Call of Duty Warzone players, which is a reliable VPN. So Warzone is definitely one of the most popular free-to-play games in the world, with over 100 million downloads and millions of active players every single day. However, with so many players, it can be a challenge to get stable and fast connection to the game servers, and this is where NordVPN comes in. It can help you optimize your Warzone experience, so whether you're looking to play from restricted networks, eliminate lag, or protect yourself from DDoS attacks, NordVPN has got you covered. Also, if at any point you'd like to give Nord a try, you'll find a discount link available in the description down below to help you save some extra moolah. So let's explore how NordVPN might improve your Warzone gaming experience. First and foremost, NordVPN helps you reach bot lobbies in Warzone. So for those of you who don't know, bot lobbies are servers where they're filled with characters controlled by a computer, which are easy to beat, making it easier for you to advance in game. Also, you can connect to servers in countries like Chile, Brazil, and Singapore, which there may be less active players throughout the day. This means that you'll have a better chance of finding an easy lobby to join and start playing right away. And this VPN also allows you to find the best servers for your connection, helping you to get the best possible ping and reduce lag. In addition to that, NordVPN encrypts your data, making it safe to play Warzone on restricted networks, such as those in schools, universities, or open Wi-Fi hotspots. So you won't have to worry about anyone snooping on your online activity or compromising on your personal information and data. One more important benefit of NordVPN for Warzone players is that it helps protect you from DDoS attacks. DDoS attacks are situations when someone floods a server with so much traffic that it becomes totally unavailable to other users. These attacks can be devastating for Warzone players as they can disrupt your gaming experience and even sometimes cause you to lose your progress. But with NordVPN, your traffic is secured, making it much harder for anyone to actually launch a DDoS attack against you. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to help you set up NordVPN to the Warzone. The very first step is to sign up for the service, which you can do from the NordVPN website using your computer and any web browser. And once you've signed up, download the NordVPN app on the device you use to play Warzone. Since Nord is available on a wide range of platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS, you can enjoy gaming Warzone on any device you prefer. After downloading the NordVPN app, install it on your chosen device and log into your Nord account. Once you've logged in, use NordVPN's interactive map to pick a specific VPN server location. And finally, after you've chosen a server location, connect to NordVPN and you're ready to launch Warzone. Nord also offers excellent customer support, which is essential for any online service. So if you do encounter any issues while using NordVPN for Warzone, you can contact Nord's 24/7 support team via live chat or email, and they'll be happy to help or resolve any problems that you have and ensure that you have the best possible gaming experience. To sum it up, NordVPN is an essential tool for Warzone players, which helps you optimize your connection to the game servers, eliminates high ping, protects you from DDoS attacks, and many, many more. So whether you're a casual player or a hardcore gamer, Nord will help you get the most out of your Warzone experience. And so that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in NordVPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful and you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.